मुंबई स्थित बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में शुक्रवार सुबह 6 बजे रोटरी हम सफ़र के तत्वाधान में ऑर्गन डोनेशन कैंप को हरी झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया गया। इस अवसर पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर 3141 शशि शर्मा, डॉक्टर सत्या अग्रवाल, FRCP मिस्टर विजय जलान, संजीव कुलकर्णी, चेतन देसाई व हरमिंदर सिंह जी मौजूद रहे। साथ ही 100 गाड़ियां और 400 रोटरियन की रैली नवी मुंबई, पुणे, कोल्हापुर होते हुए 3 दिवसीय कैंप का समापन गोवा में किया जाने वाला है। तो आइए सुनते हैं इस मौके पर आए हुए लोगों ने क्या कुछ कहा, ये आपको सुनाते हैं।
रोटरी इंटरनेशनल से डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3141 लीड क्लब से प्रेसिडेंट रमेश संजीव कुलकर्णी फ्रॉम बॉम्बे नॉर्थ और 95 clubs from the district are all going from Bombay to Goa on a rally called Hum Safar. This rally has been organized to create an awareness for skin, eye, organ donation and diabetes prevention. Our district governor Shashi Sharma is the leader for this rally and we are going to flag off in the next 5 minutes. We have got 62 cars with us and 200 Rotarians are going to go from here to New Bombay, where we will be having breakfast, and the district team there will also 3142 will be joining us there. From there we move on to Pune, where the local district Rotarians, maybe we are expecting about 100 more Rotarians to join us there, and from there we proceed to Kolhapur. At Kolhapur we have an overnight stay, and in the morning after breakfast we are proceeding to Goa. We reach Goa at about 1 o'clock. We are having press conferences at Pune and Kolhapur and at Goa. Well, thank you very much to all of you for being here to cover this event. Thank you very much.
This particular event is mainly for organ donation.
डायबिटिक कैंपेन के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा प्रचार है और हम यहाँ से लेके गोवा तक सारे गांव शहर कलेक्ट करते करते जाएंगे और उसका प्रचार बढ़ते जाएगा। और एक दूसरा हमारा स्किन डोनेशन का भी प्रचार है, जो मोस्ट पब्लिक को किसको पता नहीं कि स्किन डोनेशन भी एक चीज़ होती है। तो ये 2 चीज़ के ऊपर हमारा बहुत बड़ा प्रचार होने वाला है। पूरे इंडिया में हम लोग प्रचार कर रहे हैं। आज की तारीख में हमारी काफ़ी स्किन बैंक ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है और डायबिटीज़ बहुत बड़े रूप से हम लोग चेकअप कर रहे हैं, हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप्स कर रहे हैं रेगुलरली, और इसको हम बढ़ावा देना चाहते हैं ताकि डायबिटीज़ कम। हाँ शशि जी आप बोलिए।
Thank you. Friends, good morning. Let me be very honestly inform you that I am so much delighted and happy to see that more than 175 people are gathered on a journey where we are going to talk about the diabetic prevention, organ donation, skin donation, eye donation, all kind of a campaign. And friends, let me also tell you honestly that the people, those who are behind, are the people to be appreciated. Let me also tell you and congratulate the President Sanjeev for giving us the absolutely great platform to organize such an event. Along with me, the Chetan is there, who is the Chief Group Avenue Head, but not to mention in the earlier stage, but the final stage, Dr. Satya Agrawal, who has given us absolutely flawless and joyful the event which is going to be witnessed by all of us. And I can only tell you that, friends, this is the first time in a mega way this event has been organized. It's not easy, it is very difficult, but let me tell you, 95 clubs in our district led by Bombay North Club, and let me tell you, the people, those who are there, the show behind is all the 3 people, including Harminder, including Mehul, and everyone, all the core committee. Ravi Sindhe, where are Ravi Sindhe? Ravi Sindhe and everyone. So I only can tell you that we want on a drive that no to diabetes, organ donation, skin donation, eye donation. Thank you so much for coming over here. Thank you.
Let's move now. Fast. Sanjeev Kulkarni, Rotary Club of Bombay North. We are the lead club of this entire event. We thank District 3141's District Governor Shashi Sharma for believing in us and giving us this opportunity. All our members and my friends, our club secretary Mehul, Hitesh, Satya, everybody is working very hard behind this. Alka, all those, Sangeeta, Ashok ji, everybody is working very hard, and we thank everybody for giving us this opportunity. Main cause for this is organ donation drive, save life,
skin donation,
donate organ, donate skin, save life, diabetes prevention, eye donation. That's the main message what we want to convey to entire society. From here there are 200 people going, but we are expecting more than 100 people again to join with us from Pune, Kolhapur, Goa, from everywhere, New Bombay, District 3142. There are about 6-7 districts of Rotary which are going to join us together in this rally. Thank you so much.
सत्या जी कितना एंजॉय करने वाले हैं इस रैली को और क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस रैली को लेके, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि अपने देश में करीब 500,000 people today are waiting to have the organ donation, and they all will die if we don't get the organs. Currently, only 5% of those people are getting the benefit of organ donation. Our organ donation rate is 0.08%, which is totally dismal. We are the lowest in the whole world. And all these organs, instead of burning our body, if we all pledge that we want to donate our organs after we die, then all these people can live in you. So therefore, really, death is not the end. Death is the beginning. And therefore, we have taken a mission under the leadership of DG Sharma to spread this message all over Maharashtra and Goa area. We are going from here 80 cars, another 20 will join from Pune, and another 30 will join from Kolhapur. By the time we reach Goa, we'll have 150 to 200 cars and 700 Rotarians. We have 4 districts participating in this, and we are going to spread this message as widely as possible. Thank you very much.
Cheers to Rotary.
Thank you.
न्यू हेड, माय नेम इज चेतन देसाई, और ये जो पूरा कारवा जा रहा है, ये पहली ऐसी एक कोशिश है जहाँ पे रोटरी की 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट महाराष्ट्र और गोवा, 3141 मुंबई, 3142 थाने नवी मुंबई, 3131 पुणे और 3170 कोल्हापुर गोवा, चारों डिस्ट्रिक्ट के रोटरियंस मिलके एक बहुत ही बड़ा मुहिम हम चलाने वाले हैं ये कार रैली के द्वारा। जैसे बताया गया, डायबिटीज प्रिवेंशन, स्किन, ऑर्गन डोनेशन और आई डोनेशन। आप देख रहे हो कि सारी कारें डेकोरेट की गई है विथ स्टिकर्स, so that not only during the rally but also when we come back our cars will spread the message. Thank you very much for covering this very important cause that we want to spread awareness about. Guinness Book of World Record also is taking note of this. We have attempted for Guinness Book of World Record as well. The results we are awaiting, and we are sure with our efforts this will be one of the biggest event that Rotary has ever seen. Thank you so much.